some motherfucking
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, Dreamcatcher time! I am really excited. So today I will be reacting to You and I, and I'm anyway so excited because it's Dreamcatcher. And not just Dreamcatcher today, actually I plan to sit and react to multiple MVs. I of course will be posting it as different videos because you know now holiday season is here. I'm gonna be busy meeting my friends and stuff like that, going out. So I don't think I'll get the time to post consistently till the end of this year. Of course, from Jan onwards, it'll become regular again. So I thought, why not just record multiple videos today only, and then I'll schedule it accordingly. So yes, so starting the day with Dreamcatcher's You and I, and let's just watch the song. I'm really excited as usual with Dreamcatcher. With like, guys, so hyped to just get to know this group. I am literally addicted to whatever songs I've listened to till now of theirs. It's been amazing. It's been amazing. So yeah, let's see You and I. So there's a portal kind of thingy? What? Oh, that photo is there.
미친 듯이 달려도 넌 다시 또 제자리였다고 거울 속 너의 모습이 일그러지는 mystery.
It's 19 seconds to the song. I already love the sound of it. Like, you know, a lot of you wrote that I will probably end up adding all the songs of Dreamcatcher that I watch on my playlist, and it seems to be like that. It seems to go in that direction only. Like the way it starts, oh my god, their vocals are amazing.
미친 듯이 달려도
Outfits are great.
넌 다시 또 제자리였다고 거울 속 너의 모습이 일그러지는 mystery. Falling 해가 저물면 문을 열어둬 모든 빛이 사라진 밤 나나나나 스르륵 잠든 스르륵 곁에 아무도 모르게 다가갈게 now oh now 수많은 별이 너만을 비추기 헤매지 않게 눈을 떠봐 내 손을 잡아봐 매일 꿈속에만 그렸던 나잖아 그렇게도 원한 너와 내 시간들 baby 이제는 나와 함께해 baby you and I baby you and I 익숙한 길이 낯설게 내
Yes, this is also getting added to the playlist. Oh my god. Can I say it again? Can I say it again that I'm in love with them already? I'm in love with them. I'm in love with them. I actually, now I think it's a good time to, suggest me a nice guide. So I can, get to know the members like in depth. So like about them, their group and stuff. I think it's high time. It's high time I do that. Though I wouldn't be able to do it right away, but just let me know. Just let me know. So I can, either I can watch it on my own, and if you guys want me to react to it, I can do that as well. Let me know in the comments what you prefer. And oh man, I'll probably do it in Jan, but oh. This is so good! Insomnia! This is not fair. This is not fair. Like, how good is this? Wow. The visuals are stunning. I am just getting so intrigued with the visuals also. It's so beautiful. I can't move my eyes away. So we have like let me just concentrate now on the lyrics and all of that. We'll see. We'll try and decipher it. Though I feel that see this portal where they are in white, I don't know, is this a dimension between like the heaven and hell, something like that? Because that black outfit looks like, you know, maybe representative of the devil or the bad side that we have in our own minds.
미친 듯이 달려도 넌 다시 또 제자리였다고.
And I feel these, like in these outfits, I think they probably came in at that point of time, like they're growing up in that house. Is it that case? Huh? Because you run, how much ever you run, you end up at the same spot.
벌써 너의 모습이 일그러지는 mystery. Falling 해가 저물면 문을 열어둬. 모든 빛이 사라진 밤. 나나나나. 스르륵 잠든 스르륵 곁에 아무도 모르게 다가갈게 now. Oh now. 수많은
this
별이
build-up.
너만을 비추기 헤매지 않게 눈을 떠봐 내 손을 잡아봐 매일 꿈속에만 그렸던 나잖아 그렇게도 원한 너와 내 시간들 Baby 이제는 나와 함께해 Baby you and I
They're doing some kind of ritual.
Baby you and I 익숙한 길이 낯설게 느껴져
Oh wow.
너를 부르는 목소리가 들려 한없이 차가워진 눈빛 돌아서가는
The choreography is also really good, huh?
홀린 듯 이끌린 그곳은 위험해 No, no, no way 스르륵 잠든 스르륵
I am sorry, I cannot believe they've not had a win yet. I cannot believe this. This is literally like, I'm not able to accept this. This is unacceptable. Unacceptable because this song is like, this song also didn't win. What? Yeah, when sometimes people say, no, life is unfair. I agree. When I see things like this, and then when I know and when I find out that it's not getting appreciated enough, yes, it's sad. It's really sad.
꿈에 아무도 모르게
Oh.
들어갈게 now Oh now 흐르는 너의 차가운 눈물 다 지워줄게
What this? She became like a spider over there,
다
like a
지워줄게
monster. You see that spider reflection?
눈을 떠봐 내 손을 잡아봐 매일 꿈속에만 그렸던 나잖아 그렇게도 원한 너와 내
Oh.
시간들
Monster
Baby
catching them.
이제는 나와 함께해 문을 열어줘 가득 품에 안고 하나 된 순간 달빛을 모두 따라 끝이 없는 저 하늘에 밝은 빛이 돼줄게 언제나 꿈처럼
Oh, it's gone.
눈을 감아 내 손을 잡아봐
Oh, wow.
다 잊어버려 혼자였던 시간 까만 세상 속에 네 편이 돼줄게 Baby 이제는 나와 함께해 Baby you and I Baby you and I
Oh man. What? I feel so lost in this MV. Like, my god, this song is amazing. Like I said, getting added to the playlist. Oh my god. This MV is still a little confusing. I'll have to probably watch it a couple of more times to understand the visuals, but it is definitely some sort of monster. That monster could be the monsters inside their head because, I mean, it's Dreamcatcher, so the monsters inside us or our evil side or something like that, like giving into your evil side or probably something like that. Let's see, because it is definitely, we see that photograph over there again, and they feel trapped in they are being trapped. They want to, I feel with this MV, that they want to set themselves free, but they do feel trapped. But I'll have to watch it again. Like, I'm a little lost seeing the visuals, but that's another thing. But the song, guys, the song, I always feel when I really start loving a group's discography, and when I eventually start reacting to them on a regular basis, whenever I sit for a reaction, I feel that okay, I have to keep my expectations a little low, because I don't want it to get ruined. I don't want because it's very difficult to have like 100% track record, and it's fine, no problem. Like I said, when I reacted to Fly High, that it was a grower on me, and I now really like that song because I've listened to it like a couple of more times. But like with Boca or Chase Me or Good Night, this one also, this is like instant. What I am seeing with Dreamcatcher is that the songs with the maximum track record is that I'm instantly into the song. Like within the first 15 seconds, they have my attention. That barely happens with me. Like, I have to really listen till the first verse, till the entire chorus, and then I decide in my head that, okay, if I love the song or not. But with this group, I am telling you that the maximum track record has been like within first 15 seconds, I am okay. This is it. This is a bop. This has happened with Dreamcatcher, and I am so happy. I think I'm going to tell this Insomnia. I'm going to tell this in every freaking reaction. How much I love this group. How much I have started loving this group. I have to tell you. Because this is what I'm feeling inside my own heart. So yes, you have to know how much I like. Firstly, thank you only for introducing me to Dreamcatcher. Oh man, I was missing out. I swear, this is what I was missing in K-pop, pop rock, whatever. Yes, a void has been filled. A void I didn't even know that existed in my heart has been filled. Man. And I love the fact that this is a girl group doing it. It just makes me feel so proud. Because we in K-pop also, we sort of put them in a box that either you have to be the cutesy type or you have to be the edgy type. You can't be anything else. Whereas I see, at least with so many groups that I've reacted, whereas I see that the boy groups, they are more experimental. They take more risks in, sort of presenting their group in different lights when it comes to every comeback that they do. But that's not the case with girl group. It more or less remains in that same zone only in order to have that particular image. But just the fact that they are so different, I love that. This is the first thing I felt when I had reacted to Mamamoo also. That the first thing, if you see my first reaction of Mamamoo, I instantly said they feel different. They're really different. That's exactly, I'm feeling this for Dreamcatcher. It's fantastic. I'm so happy to know this group. The song is a bop. Love the melody. I think this song, out of all the songs that I've reacted to, this is my favorite melody. You and I is my favorite melody. Till now, well, all the songs I love. Like, I am addicted to Boca. I'm addicted to Good Night. I'm addicted to Chase Me. But I think melody-wise, I used to like Boca. Like, Boca was more superior for me in terms of the melody and the arrangement, but this one tops it. You and I. This is my preferred. This is the best one for me in terms of melody composition, because it has a lot of, like, it gives you a lot of breathing space in the song where it's very slowed down. Then there is a proper build up, and then it completely, takes you to heaven in the chorus. So I think that variation, I loved it. Their vocals sound amazing. I can go on and on. Insomnia, I can go on and on. So I think I'm going to put a stop here. Loved it. Thank you so much once again for, you know, in every reaction you let me know which is the next one. So that's great. Thank you so much. You guys are very kind. So yep, I will end this video here. Share your thoughts on the song in the comments. When you first heard the song, what did it make you feel and all of that. If anybody knows and has deciphered the visuals, please comment that also. It makes my job easier at least, so I can have, like, I at least know that I'm on the same page with the insomnia theories and all of that. So yes, that's it guys. I'll sign off now and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye.
You are the cause of my euphoria.